Halo Samsti, welcome back to the Titi Sebentar. Where we share stories, tips, and motivation. I'm Mila, your host today, and we're diving into topic that's super relatable, study tips for budding scholars. But hey, I'm not feeling so today. I have got two awesome guests joining us for this episode. First up, we have Mumtahana, or usually we call her Inces. A final year student who used to live in a dorm herself. Hi Inces!
Hi guys, this topic is so relatable for us. Get ready to hear some study tips from us.
And next, we also have Kefira, a psychology student who was famous as a study mentor at her dorm.
Hey Mila, Inces, and hello guys. Studying can be tough, but trust me, it's doable if you know the right tricks.
Before we get into tips, I want to ask, what do you think is the biggest challenge of studying in a dorm?
For me, one of the biggest challenges is the environment is not always ideal for studying. So sometimes it's hard to stay focused.
Totally agree. From a psychological perspective, I've read that dorm kids often feel burdened by hectic schedules and academic pressures, and without good time management, it's easy to get stressed.
Couldn't agree more, especially with distractions like creative friends or limited study facilities.
Exactly, and we often don't even have dedicated time to study because we are so tired from all the daily activities.
So it sounds like managing your time and creating a good study environment are super important. Alright, let's jump into the first tips. How do you allocate your study time effectively, especially when Kefira is busy doing OSKL from school?
Me, I have studied daily. I usually study after I finish all my activity for 1 to 2 hours. But if I'm really tired, so I choose to study before start my activities.
Yes, moreover, USKL requires me a lot of time to look for materials, write on folio paper, and which also has to be paid in installments in dormitory. So it's so important for me to use the time blocking method where I allocate specific time to study its subject. Usually after school for around 30 minutes. For example, Monday for mathematics, Tuesday for English, and so on.
Wow, means the key is to be consistent and determine the most comfortable time to study. Next up, this classic term kit problem, study environment. How do you stay focused when the term gets noisy?
I look for alternative spotlight, balcony, or side room. Thirdly, these places are super quiet and perfect for studying.
Totally, but it's not really quiet, right? I like to listening lofi beats or song, whatever you like to keep up our mood, and that's make the vibe much more chill.
It's really cool, guys. You have got the balcony, the drawing room, and lofi beats as option. So don't get stuck in one spot. Explore space that make you feel comfortable studying. Studying can feel boring sometimes. How do you make it more fun?
Study while playing games, of course. My friends and I love to make mini quiz. Whoever lost has to dance or do a small challenge. It's like studying into game.
I do it differently. I like to making mind maps meal. I draw the complicated materials into something like three brands. It's fun, like creating art.
That's so cool. See guys, studying does not have to be super serious. You can play games, create mind maps, or even set fun challenge. Last but not least, lifestyle. How important is it to maintain a healthy lifestyle to keep your energy up for studying?
Very important. If our body is healthy and our brains are also better prepared to receive lessons. I always to get sleep enough and eat some nutritious food, and usually while studying I make snacks like smoothies to snacks so I don't get sleepy, and my healthy is also healthy. And And also do exercise even it's just for a minute.
Totally agree. I've also silicon the water and vitamin. So let's not to get tired quickly, especially if studying for a long time.
Also guys, don't just focus on learning, but we have to make sure that our bodies stay healthy as well. Wow, time flies by so fast. Thank you so much Inces and Kivira for sharing your term life experience and study tips.
You're welcome. Hopefully the stage will make it easier for our friends in the turn to study.
That's right, keep up your enthusiasm, don't give up easily, everything can be done if you're willing to try.
And that is our short episode today. Don't forget to study, stay healthy, and enjoy the process. And don't forget to listen to our other podcast with various other interesting topics. See you again in the next episode.